Good morning, dear students. I am A.V. Joshi. I am your new mathematics teacher, and we are going to study about maths. So, our first topic is place value. This is our first lesson, and while we studying place value, we want to know about the other things that are basics. So, what is number? What is number? Number is something that we use by the combinations of digits. Then we had question, what is digits? Digits means digits are symbols. Digits are symbols like 1, 2, 3, 4, 0. These symbols are used as a digits, and digits used as in numbers, and numbers give us help to read and write something that we can see in our day-to-day life. There are so many things that requires numberings. Okay, so we know about numbers. Numbers are digits. Digits means the symbols which we can represent, and after that place value chart. This is similar to our topic, but while we move further, we know about our today's topics: numbers, digits, smallest and greatest digits, 4, 5, 6 digit numbers, and expanded forms. Okay, so what is single digit number? Single digit number is 0, 1, 2. Only one number is there. That means if I write 1 here, that means only one person is there. If I write 1, 2 all together, that means two digit number. Two digit number means there are two persons are there, 1 and 2, but their specific value is 12, but their face values are different. So these differences we are going to study in this lesson. Okay, so you got some ideas about our today's topic. So I write greatest two digit number. Which is two digit number and which is greatest? 9 and 9 all together. 9 and 9 makes 99. Okay, this is greatest two digit number, and now I want to see three digit number. So if I write here 123, 123 is three digit number. So is three digit number? Yes. So having some specific values of ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000 and so on. While adding this 99 on it one, we can get 100, and 100 is smallest three digit number. Now I want to see greatest three digit number. Greatest three digit number is 999. Similarly, if I add 1 on it, I'll get 1000, and 1000 is smallest four digit number. 1, 2, 3 and 4. After adding 1 on greatest four digit number, I'll get 10,000. Okay, I'll get 5 digit number, and this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and make 10,000. How can I read this number? With the help of place value. So we will go to study place value by place value chart. So place value chart consists of ones period, thousand periods and lakh periods. Okay, ones period, thousand period. In these periods there are ones, tens and 100 is there, and in thousand period, 1000 and 10,000 is there. So this 5-digit number I'll trace here. Okay, so I write 0, 0, 0, 0 and 1. Okay, so what is the face value of 4? Face value means the actual number looking like. What is this number? 0. So face value of this number is 0. Face value of this number is 0 and place value of this number is ones. Similarly, while I reach at 10,000 column, then the face value of this column of one number is 1 and the place value of this number is 10,000. This is the chart of place value and we are going to use in it for finding the place values and reading that number. Okay, so we took 5-digit number here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right above their place value chart values, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Okay, so what is this? 5. 5 means 5 into 1. That means in which column 5 is there? In the column of 1. So I will multiply it by 1. 5 into 1 makes 5. What is this? This is a number 4. So that means the face value of this number is 4 and the place value of this number is 4 multiplied by 10, because 4 is present in the column of tens. That means 40. Similarly, 3 multiplied by 100, because 3 present in the column of hundreds. 300. Similarly, 2 multiplied by 1000 and 1 multiplied by 10,000. These commas are used to separate the thousand value, and it is very important thing while we are writing the numbers above 1000. Okay, so 5 into 1, 5, 4 into 10, 40, 3 into 100, 300, 2 into 1000, 2000, 1 into 10,000 means 10,000. Now we just expand these numbers. Expand means expansion, took out from their values. But you want to attention here. 5 ones means 5 times ones. 4 tens means 40. 4 times tens. 4, 4, 4, 4. 4 times tens. That means 40. 3 hundreds. That means 3 times 100. 100, 100 and 100. This 2000. That means 1000 and 1000. And 1 10,000. That means 1 10,000. So look here. 4 tens, 3 hundreds, 2000s and 1 10,000. If we add all together, if we sum all together, we can get exactly this number. And this method is known as place value method. And by place value, we can able to read this number, because we get confused little bit about this number. If randomly number seems, oh, what is this number? So can by use of place value, I can identify the numbers and their specific values like ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 by the place value chart. I write place value chart again to understand you betterly. at extreme right there is ones. Ones consist of only one digit. After ones, at the direction of right side towards left side there is tens. In tens there are two numbers of digit. If I write here 1 0 10, so what is the value of 1? The value of 1 is 1 times tens. What is the value of 0 is 0 times ones. If I ask you what is the value of this one, so this value of 1 is 1 times ones, that means only 1. And here 1 times 10 means 10. If I write here 100, so what is the value of this number is 100. As I told you before, 1000 and 10,000. This is the place value chart, and by this method we can know exactly the values, and this chart is comes under the Indian numeration system or Hindu Arabic number system. If I write here 2 1 3 1 and I'll underline this number, please tell me what is the value of this 2. The value of this 2 is in terms of thousand. How many thousands are there? 2. That means 1000 and 1000. 2 times 1000. If we add this 2000, what I'll get? 2000. And by this simple method, we can identify and read the numbers using place value chart. So you know about 5-digit number. We further move about 6-digit number. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I want to read this number, but I am unable to read this because I want to know place value chart and I want to know everything beside this to remember these things. So I'll write here greatest 5-digit number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the greatest 5-digit numbers. Combinations of 9 5 times, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. That means the last number is at 10,000 place. 10,000 means having 9 times 10,000, 9 times 1000, 9 times hundreds, 9 times tens, and 9 times 9. That means 99,999. As I told you, to give comma after the 1000 period. That means I can easily identify this number 99,999. If I add only 1 on it, I'll get my smallest 6-digit number. If in exam I ask you, please tell me what is the smallest 6-digit number, you have just write this 5 greatest number and after that add 1. You can get easily 6 smallest digit numbers. Okay, so what is the answer? 1 2 3 4 5 6. And how I can read it? 1 lakh. This is 1 lakh, and we can write here ONE 1 LAKH lakh. So in this topic we have to study about the lakh period, because we previously study about only till 10,000 place of value. So we get our new place, that is lakh place. Okay, so after 10,000 there multiply by 10, that we can get the lakh place. Okay, so ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. So we discuss about 6-digit number in this topic. I want to know the value of this 3. Okay, so what is this? 3 into 1, 3 into 10, sorry, 2 into 10, 3 into 100, 1 into 1000, 2 into 10,000. But I forget something to write above the place value. O stand for ones, T stand for tens, H stand for 100, T stand for 1000, TH stands for 10,000, and L stand for lakh place. So if I go while right to left side, 3 times ones, that means 3 into 1, 2 times tens, 2 times tens, 20, 3 times 100, 300, 1 times 1000. As we previously done till 10,000 term, just we have to add little one term, that is lakh term, and so 3 times lakh means 3 lakh. How can I read it? 3,21,323. So we have to read last 2-digit number. This is very important topic. We are going to read last 2-digit number all together and combinedly, that is 23. So 3,21,323 is the number, and the underlined number is 3 lakh. Its place value is 3 lakh and its face value is 3. So the difference between face value and place value is, face value is the numbers itself and place value is the position where number is standing. Here the position of 1 is 1000, so I can tell this is 1000. The 3 is at a place of 100, so I can tell 300. Similarly, you are going to read and write by this manner, and you can get any questions and answer of that questions. Okay, so these are the topics we discussed, and by reading and counting the digits and the combination of digits. Our new topic is also related to this topic, but in terms of abacus spikes. Abacus spikes. Those students are unable to connect that topic will definitely connect by this topic, that two are same. These are abacus spikes. Everybody know abacus. So in abacus strip there are some types of buttons in there. Okay, so I'll give here the place value. Ones, tens, thousand, sorry, 1, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. Okay, so how many button is there? 1. How many circle is there? 2. How many circle is there? 3, 2, 1, 2. It is very simple topic. How many ones are there? 1. That means 1 into 1. How many circle are there? 2. And the value is tens value. So I will multiply it by 10. After that, at the place of 100, I have to multiply it by 100. And this is by 1000. This is by 10,000. And this is by lakh. I'll get the answer as I'll get before. Okay. So this is also method and we will discuss in next lecture, but this is the introduction to you that it is very simple topic and containing very high weightage of marks according to our studies and examination. Thank you.